How you felt the challenge?
I felt the dumb challenge.
Huh? Stop and say it. Tell them.
I felt the challenge. Whoa.
Yeah. If you drop anything, war, you can't get it, okay? We'll take everything back. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's
Are
go.
you kidding me?
Huh?
I said, are you kidding me?
No, we serious. Let's see. Anything else we like over here?
Oh my God, this belly don't go on my face.
Huh?
This belly don't go on my face.
Right. Hey, excuse me. Did I see a drop?
No.
We didn't drop nothing?
Yeah.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Just make sure. I thought I seen this one drop. I'm not sure. Well, if you said it didn't drop, then we good. Come on, where the kid out at? Come on, let's go. Oh, you run a little fast. I see your little technique. All right.
Adida.
Come on, Ward. I think the kids all over here. I almost ready to drop it, but what right? Pick it up, man. You trick.
This one. Do I get one more chance?
Yeah, we give you one more chance.
Oh my.
You gotta slow down.
No. Ryan.
Let's see, Ryan. Ryan got toys now too, boy. How you felt the challenge?
I felt the dumb challenge.
Huh? Stop and say it. Tell them.
I felt the challenge.
But I still got it for you.
Oh yeah, you still have it. Never
Say
mind.
you two, I felt the challenge. Daddy win.
My daddy win. He only dropped one.
Let's get it.
Yeah. Okay, follow me. First, we need to wash our hands. Okay, you need 3 things: butter, cereal, marshmallows.
Let's get started.
Yeah! Make sure you have a parent to help you to turn on the stove.
And that's where I come in. Okay. All right, so we're gonna need our spoon right here. Fire. So what is that word?
Have a spoon.
Okay, so you're gonna scoop your butter.
Come here, my babies.
We're gonna need a lot of butter. You know I'm gonna need the butter, Ward?
Huh?
You know I'm gonna need the butter?
No. Butter is full of marshmallow.
Okay, good job.
Now pour your marshmallow. Oh.
Yeah, pour all of them, Ward. What do? Tell them what you do.
Just dump it. I'm gonna eat it.
Bro, make sure your parent is doing it. Well, it's a little hot right now, so we're gonna turn it down a little bit so we don't burn the marshmallows. See that, Ward?
Yeah.
All right, now, Ward, you're gonna grab the cereal.
Okay.
Okay, guys, so we're just gonna use a pot. You can use a big mixing bowl, a regular bowl, anything. But you're gonna pour your cereal into another bowl, another pot, just like this. You know this is supposed to be Warrick's job. So get a good amount in there.
I need my sushi soda mix inside.
So you get the pot, Warrick. So now that your marshmallows are all melted up, and it looks like this funky color, this yellow, because we're using French vanilla marshmallows to give it a better taste than the regular marshmallows. That really does have a taste to us. So now, Warrick, what's next?
You put it on the stove.
Huh?
You put this on the stove.
Okay, also, guys, make sure you turn it off. Now that the marshmallow is melted. So now what do, Warrick? We pour them in, right? Okay, so now, Warrick, you're going to pour them in. Nice, keep pouring. There you go. Yeah, look at that. So now we're going to stir. Stir it, Ward. Whip it.
Whip. Watch me whip. Whip, whip. Watch me, Nene.
There we go.
I'm
Make sure you get it all stirred up, Ward.
and get some in the middle.
Yeah, make sure you don't see no marshmallow. Good job. So now that it's all mixed up, marshmallows all good. Parents, we need you to double check really quick. Make sure it's all stirred up. Just like that. So now here comes the fun part.
Yeah.
What do you think is next, Ward? We put it in the pot.
Put it in the pot.
So what's next, Ward?
You put it in the pot.
Okay, yeah. So it's all stirred up. What's next, Ward? What's next, Ward?
Put it in the pot.
Yeah, so parent. Okay, here we go. So now we need the parent to make sure, Ward, you do the honors.
Okay.
Come on, scoop it all in. Go ahead. There you go.
Okay, this. Can we back it up?
Or just scoop it all in. It's not going nowhere. Come on, there you go. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on, a little faster, Ward. Come on, you acting like a grandma. Ward's a 6-year-old. He's slow like a grandma, everybody. Oh, now he wants to speed it up. Got some youth in you. Okay, Ward. You back to being a kid.
Oh my God.
Look at you.
I dropped one.
That's fine, Ward. That is fine. Kitchens get messy.
Ouch.
So kids, take note.
What?
Come on. Yeah, look, still a little bit more. Okay, that's good. That's good. So now, Ward, what's next? So next, you're gonna have your parent help out. AC, you're gonna flatten it down.
We gotta flatten it down.
You're gonna do what?
We gotta flatten it down.
Okay, now do it.
Meow. Up on it, up on it, up on it, up on it.
Let me know if you think that's good. If that's good, then it's good. Is it good?
Yeah.
That's all good?
Yeah.
Okay. And now, what's next, Ward?
You're gonna put the lid on top and put it in the fridge.
Nice.
Alright.
Okay, there we go. Have a parent help out. Okay, lids on. Lids on, Ward.
Okay, yeah.
Now that we're finished, Ward. We're finished, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now how long do we put it in the fridge for?
45 minutes.
Okay, great. Let's do that. Whoa.
You think that's good?
Great. So now we just wait and let it bake.
Yeah.
Okay, what's next, Ward?
We will see you later when the time to taste it.
Hey, alrighty.
3 hours later.
All right. It is now 4:44, which is 4:45. So guess what? The timer just went off. So it is time to eat some Rice Krispy.
Oh my God, I almost opened this up, guys.
But why are you on the stool, though? Bye-bye. Ooh.
Ooh.
Come on, Ward, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
Ooh, let the crowd see. Ooh. You gonna open it or what?
Move it.
You gonna open it?
I don't want to eat this.
Oh, let me get a good little glance. Hold on.
Can I get one too?
Ward, they're yours. Duh. Don't oh wow, that's what you do? You're not gonna not gonna let the parent cut it? You gonna pick up the whole thing and nom 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 nom. Wow. Let's just let them see it. Ooh, greatness. Ooh, wee.
I just rocked this bed. Look.
Okay, now, Ward, you let the parent cut it. Since Ward don't want to tell you guys, you let the parent cut it. So let's go ahead and cut up some pieces, Ward.
Yeah. I'll just play some more blocks. Ooh wee. I say ooh wee.
Look at that. there. Toss that bad boy in there like that. Yeah, back up some.
Oh, now I like to move it, move it. 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 Ow! Ow, Daddy.
I'm sorry. Stop on your foot.
Ow! That hurt.
Not you good.
Oh, no.
All right, so now we're gonna put this bad boy down right here.
Yeah.
Can you see us?
Yeah.
You can see us? Oh, whoa. Yeah, let's make the camera higher.
Ow. I like to move it.
Okay, there we go. So we got Warrick's. What you call these? The Rice Krispy?
Yeah, Rice Krispies.
Warrick's Rice Krispy. That's the name of them, or what do you want to name them?
Can.
No, let's try another name. That's the name.
Whoa.
Warrick's Pro Rice Krispy. So
Yeah.
you get one, I get one. Let's try it. Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Mmm.
Hey, Warrick do this thing, y'all. I'm gonna leave the recipe down below. We'll see y'all next episode.
Comment you like this video.
Translate, you said put a comment if you like the video.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Y'all enjoy it. Eat well. Use Warrick's recipe. And we out. Next video on Warrick's page.
Okay.
We got the trail mix coming. We out.
Yeah.